Hey guys, more new Super Mario Bros. So yeah, we're on World 2 here. Here I go. So yeah. So, sorry about that. I just had to be repositioned. I'm good now though. Um, no. Crap. Okay, well, if I fail here, I think I'm just gonna do a grinding episode. Like, take out the rest of this episode and just basically grind lives. Because that's pretty fun, huh? Yeah. Yes. Pretty cool. Now, if you do this correctly, you don't have to... Oh, I was gonna say, if you do that correctly, you can get a 1-up. But I didn't, so... So next time I lose a live, I'm just gonna do a grinding special, I suppose. So yeah. Now guys, this is like my most hated level. So my guess is I am probably going to have to take a couple tries at this. So this is probably going to end up into a grinding special, which is not fun. Hey, look. No cares in the world. Just floating around like a little wackatoo. And look how high we are, Captain. Now, what you're gonna want to do here is that, well, you can either do this or you can go like that. I recommend doing that because that's like how you get the most points. Now, right here, I believe, oh, I thought that was pops. I'm not even sure though. Now, come here. Come here, Wackatoo. Come here. Good boy. You suck, Wackatoo. I'm running away from this. Oh, awesome. Blew through that spiny, or whatever you call it. So I believe I missed a coin. So I'll probably go back and get that. Like right now. Oh, well, shoot! Keep going down the wrong tube. Whatever. Yeah, so. Oh, you're the worst. Come here. Wow. Made me do stuff I didn't want to do. Like in college. JK. Come here. come on me. What? That wasn't right, I guess. So, dang it! Well, I guess it's gonna be a grinding special now. And guys, I'm gonna just show you how to grind, and then next level I'll probably have 99 lives. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you how to grind here. So yeah, this is how it's done. You face the box that way, and you chase this. I think I did this for the first level before. Right here, grab it, and basically just run through all this stuff. Because if you do this correctly, you can make it through the whole level, like that. And that's 5 lives. So yeah, I'll show you guys one more time, just in case you were not looking and you don't feel like you wanna, go back and look at it. Cause I sometimes feel like that. I don't want to go back. And actually, you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna actually do a speed run after this of this level. Because honestly, it's so fun to speedrun this level. Like, if you get it down to like a science, basically, you can do the whole level, and it's so cool. So, yeah. Here goes a speedrun, I guess. Here we go. Okay, smash that Goomba if you would like to. Keep holding A, bounce off those 2 Goombas. Smash that. Oh, whoops, darn. I didn't jump quick enough. Just ignore that. Darn it. I was almost there, too. Okay, now this is how it's done. Oh crap, I forgot I was at midway. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. And of course, you would just jump. Now, I'm going to try this one more time, and I'm going to grind after this. So, yeah, expect more videos today. Maybe. Well, not maybe, because, I'm going to probably play again. So, yeah, this seems like a good place to stop. Mario and Luigi 919. Enjoy my videos. And, cool stuff. Shout out to all the friends I have on YouTube. I just want to give a quick shout out, and they didn't really ask, I just kind of like the videos. Lucky Hawk, Iskro Stracon, Leroy, and yeah, that's about it. Hands Off My Waffles too. He's cool. Even though I don't know him personally, they're cool. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye.